You're not Dr. Nefarious. Nefarious, you can't use the clock. Nothing you could want is worth risking the universe. But berries. And I have you three to thank for it. Initiate Super Wavy Flashback Event! Thanks to you and your dim-witted friend here, I found myself drifting through the cosmos. Have you ever spent time on an asteroid? It's surprisingly boring. Nothing for a man to do but dwell on his failure. Then, one day, the Fungoid saved us. But still, failure burned inside my circuitry. How could I have been defeated by the likes of you? Why had the universe been tipped in your favor? I embarked on a crusade to the inner recesses of what you call the soul. I studied fungoid meditation, attended anger management class, dabbled in yoga, attended more anger management class, until finally I went on a spirit walk on planet Quantos. It was here I finally found what I had been missing, the great clock. With the clock under my control, I'll be able to wrong all the rights in the universe. Every villain who has ever stumbled will get a do-over. Every protagonist's triumph will be reversed. Until finally, a new present is created, in which the heroes always lose. Gods and non-cadets. I was 5 bullets wasted. How do you like my asteroid Finger 5000? I had it installed in the event I ever needed a super ironic death scenario. Nefarious, you're making a mistake. Time will tell. Bon voyage, my old nemesis. Choo choo, Travis. Choo choo.